I'm coming to you with another review. This review is from our friends over at Hairfinity. So definitely go check out Hairfinity. Hairfinity is the hair, skin, and nail vitamin GOAT in the industry. I know y'all all remember when Hairfinity first started out, and then all these other companies followed behind them with hair, skin, and nail vitamins. But Hairfinity is definitely a trusted brand in my book, so I do highly recommend them. So your girl has since became a Hairfinity ambassador, and I wanted to come on here and share some details about the Hairfinity Nourishing Botanical Oil. So yeah, I'm going to give you a little deets about this oil. This Hairfinity Nourishing Botanical Oil retails for $29 on the website. Nourishing Botanical Oil contains 100% naturally derived ingredients and essential oils, free of sulfates, silicones, parabens, mineral oil, and petroleum. It is safe for all hair types, and it is safe for color treated hair. So this bottle is a 1.76 fluid ounce bottle, and it is a glass bottle with dropper, and it looks like this. As you can see, I have been using it. A little goes a long way. I always take the dropper and I go like straight down. Sorry y'all, I go like straight down on my scalp. In between unit changes, I want to say I do it like every other day. It is definitely a lightweight oil, but I must say, because I'm a person who suffers with dry scalp, y'all, like I have dry scalp, dry face, all that. So this has definitely it has taken away my itchy scalp, like no bull. This has definitely helped. And all I do is take like a half of dropper, like that much, and I just take and go down my scalp. Like I just go from front to back, 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 all over, and then I just take and massage it into my scalp. And like my scalp has been great. I haven't had any flakes, none of that, no itching, none of that. It has been amazing, and it feels great going on the scalp. So the key benefits of the Nourishing Botanical Oil is it creates softness and strength. It also locks in moisture, most definitely, and it fights frizzy hair. So it does fight frizz. The key ingredients is hydrolyzed collagen, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, moringa oil, apricot oil, vitamin E, and essential oils like lavender, cedar, cinnamon, rosemary, thyme, and peppermint. And this does reduce breakage by 95%, y'all. So this oil has not come to play. As far as directions with using this oil, it can be used on wet or dry hair. For hair, warm up to 1 to 3 drops of the oil between your palms of your hands and apply to your hair. For scalp, apply a few drops to the scalp and massage until it's absorbed. Before shampooing, apply to hair and comb through. Cover with a plastic cap. Apply heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with Hairfinity Gentle Cleanse Shampoo. So this can be used on your hair, you know, just on your hair shafts. You can rub it down your hair shafts. You can put it on the cuticle, your scalp of your hair, or you can use it as a hot oil treatment. So definitely 3 great benefits from the Nourishing Botanical oil. So this oil had a 4.9 out of 5 stars, and 229 people have reviewed this oil. So that says a lot about this oil. It almost has a full 5 stars. So yeah, I don't have anything negative to say about this oil, but I'm going to continue using it. I'm definitely going to, I wanted to use it on my hair first before I tried it on my baby's hair. And I'm definitely going to try it on their hair now, apply it to their scalp now. As far as my children's hair, they really don't suffer with breakage. Sometimes frizziness, yeah, but not any breakage. As far as me, myself, I'm in the habit of always cutting my hair. So yeah, but I definitely want to get my hair back healthy and strengthen it and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I have been using this, and like I said, I have no negative things to say about this oil. It feels amazing on the scalp. Like I say, I'm a person who suffers with dry skin. I have eczema. One of my problem spots is my scalp with the itching and it just sucking up hair grease and even sucking up other scalp oils or hair growth oils, and my scalp still itching. But since I have been using the botanical oil, I have not had those problems. So definitely check out the Hairfinity botanical oil. I will leave the link down below. If I have any coupon codes, they will be down below in the description box. Definitely check them out. Definitely click the link. And if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for checking me out. Hope you stick around. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can stay up to date with when I upload. And I will see you loves in the next video.